Bollywood actress Sushmita Sen turned a year older on Friday, and on her birthday, the actress opened up about her surgery. Sushmita shared a silhouette picture of herself and penned a long note along with it. The actress wrote, "Birthday girl, a big thank you to all of you super generous and loving souls. Unending showering of good wishes and blessings coming my way, making this birthday yet another one to be cherished. I feel reborn this birthday in more ways than I can describe in words. Letting you in on a little secret, I completed Aria 2 and then traveled to address my health, had a successful surgery on 16th November, and I am healing marvelously every passing day in this beautiful place. I feel the goodness of all your energies and the strength of your love. Keep it coming." My 46th birthday marks a healthy new beginning and also sports a new look. Lots to look forward to. After all, the greatest gift is being alive. After sharing this post, Sushmita also came live on Instagram. In the video, Sush shared that everything in her surgery went well and she is currently in the healing phase.
Hey guys, again without a warning, here I am live. Just wanted to say a big shout out and a big thank you from the bottom of my heart for sending me the loveliest vibe and healing energy that God knows I need. I am just taking a moment to show you the new me. This is the new me. And lots to actually share with you on so many fronts, but that can wait. Today it's only about just saying gratitude for always being such an incredible part of my life and for being such a source of strength. You guys, thank you for making my 46th birthday absolutely amazing. I know when I posted about the surgery, a lot of you panicked. I'm fine, okay? If I wasn't, I would tell you. So just have faith that I will always keep you informed when things have to be kept informed, okay? You don't have to worry about it. And by God's grace, everything went really well. Healing is on, and that'll take some time, but I will be back before you know it. So happy birthday to me, and thank you so much for all the love. I hope you like my new hair. Au revoir. Love you guys. Bye. As always.
On the work front, Sushmita will next be seen in the second season of her web series Aria. The show tells the rivalry story of a woman who goes against all odds for the sake of her family and avenges her husband's killing.